As I'm looking out at the setting sun, I start to realize that this just ain't fun. And I wonder where I finally lost my way. Oh, Vivianne, the world's in your hands. Oh, Vivianne, oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. I'll just go nice. Oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. Oh yes you can. When the world was young and everything was yet to be done, did you ever figure out when things had changed? Figuring out all you wanted to do, it was all right there just waiting for you. So what happened to your lifelong dreams today?